Right, so I'm going to show you how to secure your lock screen with a password, pin, or pattern on your Galaxy A27 5G. So you simply go into settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down to security and privacy, or you can go into lock screen. So under lock screen, go to screen lock and biometrics, tap on that. You can see it's going to be set to swipe when there's no password, pin, or pattern setup. So you choose one of the three. I'm going to choose a pattern because I like patterns. They're easy to work with. So put in the pattern you want to be using to lock the phone. Now, of course, this is very easy because it's a YouTube video. You need to put a much better password or pattern that people cannot guess. Anyway, once you enter it, hit continue, and then you need to enter it again, and then that's it. Now you can choose whether you want to enable notifications on the lock screen or not by disabling or enabling that. And then once you're happy with everything, just tap on done. And now whenever you lock your screen, to get in there, you need to put in the correct pattern or pin or password. Thanks for watching. Good luck.